Good morning, kids. How are you today? Trust your night was great. Okay, before we go into what we have today, can you tell me what we did yesterday? Very good. Multiplication. Good job, children. For today's lesson, our objective is, shall we read together, children? Learners will be able to understand the concept of multiplication and apply the knowledge to solve problems. Are you ready? Okay, before we go into showing different examples, let's watch our video.
Rock and learn!
I don't know what multiplication is. I wish someone could help me out. Whoa, I know you. You're Marco the pencil.
I am Marco the Pencil. And let me tell you, multiplication is one of the coolest things you will ever learn. It's a lot like having your own magic show.
Really?
Sure. Suppose you have a few of something. With a little multiplication, you can have many more.
How did you do that?
You're going to learn, my young friend. You are going to learn.
I like magic tricks, but multiplication sounds complicated.
It's not. It's really quite simple. I'll teach you. First, do you know what multiplication is all about?
Not really.
Multiplication is a quick and powerful way of adding the same number over and over again. If you can add, and I know you can, then you can certainly learn to multiply. Now, let me show you how multiplication works. Suppose you have 3 guitars.
Ooh, I like the way that one sounds.
Me too. Now, imagine you have 5 groups of 3 guitars.
Whoa, Marco, that's a lot of guitars. How many are there anyway?
Well, you could add 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, which gives you 15. But that's so slow.
I'd rather be fast.
I thought so. And that's where multiplication gives you power. What we actually have are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 3 guitars. 3 5 times, or 3 times 5 equals 15. Notice that this sign means times, and it shows that you are multiplying. You can also write the problem this way. 3 times 5 equals 15. So the power of multiplication is that it takes something slow, like adding the 3's one set at a time, and bada bing! It makes the process faster in one step. Are you getting the power of multiplication?
Loud and...
Look at the picture. What can you see? Yes, boys. Now, each boy is wearing 2 shoes. And when we have something in 2 or anything in 2, we say they are what? Pairs. Okay? So each boy is wearing 2 shoes. There are 4 boys. How many shoes are there altogether? Okay, so we can solve this using repeated addition. That is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 8. How many times do you see number 2? Very good. 4 times. And why is it so? Correct. Because there are 4 boys. We can write this sum a different way. 4 times 2 equals to Alright, kids, now we're going to go higher. But before then, let's count in five. Do you still remember skip counting by five? Okay, let's count the fingers. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. And you can read on and on. What do I have here? Very good, fingers. There are 5 fingers on each hand. How many fingers are there on 3 hands? How can we find out? Very good. Skip counts by 5 because each hand has 5 fingers. Yes, so let's count. 5, 10, 15. Very good. So there are 15 fingers on 3 hands. So 5 activity time, children. Activity 1. One flower has 3 petals. How many petals does 6 flowers have? Activity number 2. Aisha bought 3 bags of mango. Each bag had 3 mangoes in it. How many mangoes did she buy? You can draw, you can use Play-Doh, whatever creation you like. Just get the answer and make sure you write out the equation, okay? Children, it's time to say bye